The LG A20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the Samsung Galaxy A50 for Verizon Prepaid. So the Galaxy A50 is not on Verizon Prepaid service. It's been available for Verizon Prepaid for a bit now, so now it's finally on Verizon's Prepaid service. So if you guys are looking for a mid-range Samsung phone, the Galaxy A50 is worth checking out. So it's available now for $349.99 for retail price, of course. So it is what it is. It's available in black and 64 gigabytes of storage. So here's the phone right here, nice and clean. Just have a teardrop notch. The power button on the right side shows your volume button as well. I do like the wallpaper, very nice wallpaper. There's the right side phone, power button, and the right button there. On the back of the Galaxy A50, y'all guys have 3 cameras on the back, camera flash, and your Samsung logo there. And on the left side, you do have your SIM card slot on the left side of the phone, alright? So it says here, it's time to choose the Galaxy A series that's right for you. The Samsung Galaxy A50 prepaid features an advanced multi-lens camera for every occasion. Snap sweeping views of the shoreline make your features pop with a next level selfie, or take a gorgeous late night photo of the city. The stylish and innovative smartphone features a luscious 6.4-inch Super AMOLED screen, 64 gigabytes of built-in memory, and 4,000 mAh battery, and you can make the most of it with Verizon, America's most rewarding network. So that's it, one. So the Galaxy A50 has 4.3 days of standby time, 30 hours of usage time, 25 megapixel rear-facing camera. The dimensions of the Galaxy A50 is 2.94 inches in width and 6.24 inches in height there. So the Galaxy A50 has a big battery which lasts all day. It's this good phone that keeps up with your fast-paced life. Spend more time unplugged with that long-lasting 4,000 mAh battery. That lasts up to 35 hours per charge. And power backup quickly using fast charge, so that's a win. So like I said, that has a 3 cameras on the back and camera in front, of course. So broader in your view, they need to squeeze everyone together, featuring 3 specialized lenses. The Galaxy A50 is the only camera you will ever need. The A50's ultra-wide lens gives you an expansive 122 degrees field of vision for capturing sweeping landscapes, open skylines, and giant group shots. So there's your cameras on. I'll tell you where the cameras are. It says a 25 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 5 megapixel depth camera. And it also has a 25 megapixel front-facing camera as well, so that's one. Focus on what matters. Live focus lets you highlight and draw attention to your subject, whether it's your pet, friend, or newest culinary creation. Adjust your photos after the fact with a simple tool for controlling background blur, so that's pretty cool. Low light, no problem. The Samsung Galaxy A50's lens automatically adjusts in low light, so whether you're snapping pictures during a sunny afternoon or while after dark, you'll enjoy crisp, high-quality images. Set the scene. Scene Optimizer takes the hard work out of unforgettable photos. Using your Samsung Galaxy A50's intelligent camera, it recognizes up to 20 different scenes, including animals, landscapes, and text, and adjust your settings accordingly, so that's pretty cool. Shot for perfection. Do your special moments justice. Fly the text into text, photo, blur, and closed eyes, letting you reshoot while you are still in the moment. So that's pretty cool. So if someone shuts their eyes, it'll let you know, like, hey, someone shut their eyes or whatever. So it's pretty neat. More on display. Life looks better 36.4 6.0 touch screen, complete with a captivating edge-to-edge display using the integrated fingerprint sensor. You'll get quick and secure access to your device with a single tap. With a simple press of a finger. So that thing has an in-display fingerprint sensor. That's pretty cool. Space to grow. Keep more of your photos, shows, and movies and apps on hand with 64 gigabytes of built-in storage. Then add up to 512 gigabytes of extra space using a SD card. So that's a win. Specs on the Galaxy A50 are pretty fucking good. This is a pretty budget phone. So yeah. So the Galaxy A50 is 4G, of course, has XLTE ready, doubling our 4G bandwidth and 6 speakers to cast. It's a real device, so you can use it in over 200 countries, depending on your plan. The standby time is 4.3 days. Usage time 30 hours. 25 megapixel main rear camera and 25 megapixel front-facing camera as well. So that's a one. The width of the phone is 2.94 inches. The Galaxy A50 weighs 5.86 ounces. The height of the phone is 6.24 ounces, 4,000 mAh battery with fast charge. Has Android Pie with 1 UI on there from Samsung. Micro SD cards up to 512 gigabytes. It has an Exynos chip octa-core processor, 9610. Also has HC voice, which lets you experience HC voice, video calling, and simultaneous voice and data, and then Wi-Fi calling, and may calls anyway if you have a Wi-Fi connection. If you guys need help with your Galaxy A50, Verizon and said help you out with that with device support. So if you guys need to learn how to set Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, email on the Galaxy A50, device support can help you with that. Can help you with that. So the Galaxy A50, what's included in the box is y'all all guys get the Galaxy A50 print out SIM card, 4,000 mAh battery, which is not removable, wall adapter, USB cable, USB connector, quick reference guide, important consumer safety information, product safety warranty brochure, so no headphones or anything like that. So there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy A50. It's now here on Verizon Prepaid for $349.99. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys, with a smile, like, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.